Okay. Bryce is brave because she went to Disneyland.
What's in there?
I can't see a thing.
Want me to go first?
Oh, yeah. We'll bring up the rear, huh?
It's okay. It's okay.
It's just pretend,
You
Bryce.
can find a piece of candy.
Whenever people cook, they always throw the best parts away. Take me, for example.
Get a
Ooh,
piece of candy if you want.
I can't see that.
Go get one right there. Yeah. Stop right there.
Oh, look at the
No.
candy. You want to get some candy?
Careful the rat there.
Oh, you're not afraid of that.
Touch his stomach.
Touch his stomach. He's a funny one.
I told him I shouldn't eat that last wafer thin after dinner mint.
You want to get the candy?
Oh, it's okay, honey.
Oh, poor.
What?
Okay, let's go.
How about up there? Get a piece up there, yeah.
Oh, wow. We can go up there. We're not afraid. I'll go with her. Oh, don't trip. Okay. You want to get that? I'll hold this. Okay. You put it in there. Great. Okay. You want to get some more? How about on that one? You can grab one. Good for you. You're so brave.